Buenos dias a todos. Good morning, everybody. This time I'm gonna make it bilingual, multilingual. I have some friends here and there, so I need to make it in both languages. I'm gonna try to make it quite visual so that everybody has the chance. We start the day with coffee. Wow. I had a chance to go to the office yesterday. Thank you, Jen, for the idea. And I retrieved one of those packets of coffee because they keep the smell. But anyway, today I'm gonna show you how to do basic Mexican style chilaquiles. That's part of the basic food in Mexico, and for people who have traveled to Mexico, they know you go to the buffet in the morning, when you go like to Riviera Maya, Cancun, places like that, there's always chilaquiles. And why do they eat that? Well, we love chilaquiles. Los mexicanos amamos a los chilaquiles. Y te voy a compartir el día de hoy. I'm going to share with you my recipe of chilaquiles. It's very simple. We're going to start with some tomatoes or jitomates, however you want to call them. I put like 1.5 per person maybe. So I have 5 of them here in the water. And then I need to turn them because I'm going to peel them para quitarle la cáscara. Ellos ya tienen aquí un poco más de 5 minutos, entonces ya prácticamente están listos para que los pase para acá. Los voy a pasar para acá y los vamos a poner en la licuadora. ¿Con qué? Te voy a presentar que lo que tengo aquí es ajo, cebolla, cilantro, mi arma secreta. My secret weapon is this condiment that you can find almost anywhere. If not, go to the Hispanic section in Kroger or probably Myers, Walmart. You will find them there. I already mentioned garlic, of course salt and onion. So let's go for it. Basically, we're trying to peel, get rid of this cover if you want. If you don't want to, you can actually leave it like that. Because what I'm trying to show you is that this is easy to do. So I have 3 objectives by doing this. Number 1, have fun. I'm trying to have fun doing this. I'm not a chef. I'm just a basic office employee. Number 2, share. I'm trying to share with you a recipe of something real Mexican, which is delicious. And number 3, I want to show you that this is very easy to do. Anybody can do this. Once again, I did 1.5 tomatoes per person. We're gonna put this in the blender. Okay, I'm gonna use this water here just to cover, enough water to cover tomatoes. We need onion. And then I have garlic here. I'm gonna use some garlic. Remember, I put 2 chiles. You can use chile serrano, you can use chile jalapeño, whatever you want. A little bit of salt. And then the magic trick, the magic weapon, this wonderful yellow thing that you can buy almost anywhere in these days. Now let's go to the blender. Oh, okay. Because of the size, because I'm doing this for like 3 people, I'm gonna put this here with oil, and then we're gonna put the rest of my garlic and a little bit of onion. Okay, just to prepare oil. It'll give a little bit of more flavor to the oil to receive the salsa. Once it's warm or hot, we're gonna add that salsa here. It's gonna stay here for a few minutes. In the meantime, I wanna mention or remind you that Mexicans like to eat their chilaquiles or many things with beans. We have 2 choices. One choice is the normal black beans can, and then we have this other one that I'm gonna use this time. They are already refried. You're gonna put in a pan onion and garlic, and then you're gonna put your black beans, the normal black beans, and then you're gonna smash them to make them refried. I think this oil is already warm and ready to receive the salsa. Let's do that. We're gonna wait a little bit, and we're gonna add more salt. We want to keep the flavor. We need the flavor. So we're gonna leave it here for about 5 minutes. I'll be back. Ok, es hora. Pasaron los 5 minutos y ahora ¿qué vamos a hacer? So we're gonna go ahead and simply add them like that. You have 2 choices actually. See, one choice will be to add tortilla chips on the plate and then add the salsa on top of that. For my daughters, for me, for Diego, it's better to put them here, and then we're gonna be moving it so they can get wet. And then at the same time, I already have my refried beans here that I put on oil with onion. I'm also ready to start making the eggs because my dish is gonna have chilaquiles on the side, then 2 sunny side up eggs, and then refried beans on the side, okay? Look at that. Now it's getting wet. Maybe I have room for a little bit more. Let me put a little bit more. And we'll go from there, okay? The chips are going to absorb the salsa, so you don't want it to be too dry. In quarantine, we're all in quarantine. I'm not a chef, but today maybe you can do the surprise to your partner and say, hey, I'm gonna prepare breakfast for you today, okay? So then we're gonna put some thin slices of onion. We're gonna put on top of the chilaquiles. They are ready. We're gonna put sour cream as well on top of the chilaquiles, and certain people like cheese. What type of cheese? Any cheese. You can add cilantro to the salsa, you can add parsley to the salsa, you can add more salt, you can add onion, you can add whatever you want. This is almost ready. Have the eggs on the side. We're gonna have chilaquiles. And then, like I mentioned before, Mexicans like the side of beans. You don't need to do anything scientific for beans. Go buy a can of beans and put it there, you know? Parsley here just for decoration. Thin slices of onion. I mean, come on, man. We're in quarantine. Tú puedes comer cebolla, o sea, la gente dice, sin cebolla, por favor, porque me van a ver. Come on. We're in quarantine. You can eat onion. Besides, and on top of this, we're gonna add sour cream. We Mexicans, we don't put sour cream on all types of tacos, but we put sour cream on chilaquiles. And this is ready for Maria. Very easy. Stay safe. Have fun. Smile. Always smile. And have a good quarantine. Thank you. Muchas gracias a todos. Espero verlos pronto. Tengo otras ideas que voy a compartir con ustedes. Discúlpenme si lo hice mucho más en inglés, pero tuve muchas peticiones de mis amigos, así de que sean felices.